everyone! Welcome back again to our Math 1 lesson for today, Thursday, 14th January 2021. Alright, so our topic for today in Math 1, comparing numbers. Okay, so now that we already know our numbers 21 to 100, we're going to look at comparing them. Okay? So do you guys remember the hungry alligator? Right? Do you remember? Okay. So I want to remind you about the hungry alligator and how we use it in comparing numbers. Alright? Okay. So, letter C, comparing numbers. Okay, I have a question. How do we compare numbers? How do we compare numbers again? Do you remember? We've done this before, right? So please pay attention. So when we compare numbers, we look at the bigger number or a smaller number. Okay? So two numbers can either be equal, the same, or one number is bigger and one number is smaller, right? That's how we compare numbers. Now look at these numbers. What number is this? 25, right? Okay, and what about this number? The other number is? Yes, it's 16. Are these two numbers the same? No. Are they equal? No, they are not equal. Okay, so 25 and 16. So one number is bigger. Okay, one number is bigger and the other one is smaller, right? Okay, so now let's compare these two numbers. Okay, 25 and 16. Which number is bigger? Which number is bigger? 25, right? And which number is smaller? Yeah, it's 16. 16 is smaller and 25 is bigger, right? Okay. Now, here, so 25 is greater than 16, isn't it? 25 is greater than 16, okay? And 16 is smaller than 25, okay? So look here, I've got the alligator, right? Do you remember, guys, the hungry alligator? Okay? So the hungry alligator says, I want more. I want more. I don't want small numbers. Okay? The alligator is always hungry, so it wants to eat more. He wants more. Alright? Okay. Greater than. Okay, one more time. Greater than. Smaller than. One more. Smaller than. Right? So these are the phrases we are going to use in comparing numbers. Okay, so our numbers are from 21 to 100. Okay? So our two-digit numbers, 21 to 99 and 100 has three-digit greater than. Alright? That's how we use the symbol, our sign, in comparing numbers. Always remember the hungry alligator. Okay? That will remind us on how to use our symbol. Alright? So this symbol means greater than. Alright? And the other one, this sign means smaller than. Okay? It's smaller than and greater than. Alright? One more. Greater than. Right there. Greater than. Okay? That is greater than. Alright. And the other one. The other one is smaller than. Okay? That is smaller than. Right? Okay. Now, let's say the sentences. Okay, let's practice comparing numbers, two-digit numbers. Okay? So let me repeat. Which number is greater? 25 is greater than 16. Okay? 25 is greater than 16. Alright. Which number is smaller? 16. Okay? So we say 16. Okay? 16 is smaller than 25. Right? Okay, let me show you how to use our alligator. Okay? Our hungry alligator is always hungry and it wants to eat more. It wants to eat the bigger number. It doesn't want the smaller number. Alright? So that is 25 and 16. Okay? So we have 25 and 16. Alright. So the alligator wants to eat more. Which number do you think is the alligator wants to eat? Of course, the bigger number. Okay? So, like that. Right? So 25 is greater than 16. Alright? What about the other way? What about the other way? If the sign goes the other way, that means is smaller than. Okay? It goes the other way. So, open the mouth to the bigger number because the alligator is hungry. Alright? So here, the smaller number is always behind. Okay? Always behind the alligator. Okay? So we're going to write our symbol. Open the mouth to the bigger number. So 25 is bigger. So you open the mouth right there. Okay? So when we say 25 is greater than 16. Okay? One more time. 25 is greater than 16. Alright? Here, 16 is smaller than 25. One more. 16 is smaller than 25. Alright? Okay, so let me erase. And let's practice more on how to compare numbers using the symbol and these phrases, right? Okay. What about this? Right here, which number is greater? 39 or 34? Okay, here, by looking at their place value. Okay, so we have there ones and tens. Okay, 9 ones, 3 tens in 39. In 34, 4 ones, 3 tens. Okay, which number is greater? 39 or 34? Okay, so here, as we can see, 3 tens, 3 tens. The tens are equal. They are the same. Okay, now let's compare the ones. Okay, 9 ones, 4 ones. So what do you think is greater? 9 or 4? Yeah, 9 is greater. So that means 39 is greater than 34. Okay? So 39 is greater than 34. Okay? Remember the alligator again? Always hungry. Okay? Always hungry, and it wants to eat more and more and more. It doesn't want the small number. Always the bigger number. Okay? So let's do the opposite. What about 34 and 39? Okay? So it doesn't want the smaller number. It wants the bigger number. Okay? So we're going to open like that. Open the mouth to the bigger number. Okay? And the smaller number is always behind. Right? Always behind the alligator. Alright. So, we use our symbol is smaller than. Okay? So when we read 39 is greater than 34. Okay? The other way, 34 is smaller than 39. Okay? So let's do another example so that you can get familiar in using our hungry alligator. Greater than and is smaller than. Alright, so we've got 74 and 97. Right? Which number is smaller this time? Which number is smaller? 74 or 97? Which one is smaller? What do you think? Is it 74 or 97? Okay? So the number with the smaller value of tens is the smaller number. When we look at the ones, the tens, okay? 7 tens, 9 tens, okay? 7 tens, 9 tens. So which one is smaller? Yeah, 7 tens. 7 is smaller than 9. So that means 74 is smaller than 97. Alright? Okay, let me give you another example. Alright, so we say 74 is smaller than 97. I hope you are speaking along with me. 74 is smaller than 97. Okay, the other way around. Which number is bigger or greater? So 97 is greater than 74. Alright? 97 is greater than 74. Alright. Now, what about here? We have 92 and or 90. Okay? 92 and 90. Which number is smaller? Which number is smaller? As we can see, they have the same tens. 9 tens, 9 tens. They are the same, equal, right? What about the ones? Let's take a look at the ones. 2 ones, 0 ones. Okay? 2 ones, 0 ones. So that means 2 ones is greater than 0 ones. Okay? The alligator wants to eat the bigger number. Okay? So we open the mouth to the bigger number, which is 92. And behind is 90 because it is smaller. Okay? So when we say 92 is greater than 90. Okay? And the other way, 90 is what? 90 is, yeah, smaller. Okay? So a smaller number behind the alligator. Okay? This is the bigger one. So we eat the bigger number. Right? Okay. So the alligator looks like this. Right? Okay. What else? Let me give you another one for you to practice using the sign greater than and smaller than. Alright? We also have the sign equal. Alright? That's equal. Okay? So when we say equal, let's say 95 and 90 plus 5. Okay? 95, 90 plus 5. How do we compare these two? Alright? So 95, 90 plus 5 is equal to 95. So means they are equal. Alright? They are equal. Okay. Now let's see another number. Okay? Another number which is, can you give me two-digit number? Let's say 48 okay, 48 and 38. Okay, what do you notice? Right? 48 and 38. Look at the tens. 4 tens, 3 tens. Okay? Which is bigger? Of course, 4. Okay? Open the mouth to the bigger number. They have the same ones. 8 ones and 8 ones. They are the same. But the tens, 4 tens and 3 tens. 4 tens is greater. Right? So when we say 48 is greater than 38. Alright? Okay, what about 83 and 93? Okay? The same. Once again. They have the same ones, 3 ones and 3 ones. Now look at the tens. 8 tens, 9 tens. Okay? What is the correct symbol or sign that we are going to use? Which alligator? Which alligator? Is this one or this one? Which one? This one or this one? Right? Yeah, this. You're right. Okay? So it looks like this. Okay? Alligator wants to eat the bigger number. It doesn't want the smaller number. Okay? Right. Open the mouth to the bigger number. Okay? So when we say 83 is smaller than 93. Right? 83 is smaller than 93. Right? Alright. Okay. What about here? What about here? Shade the smaller number. Smaller number, 30 or 40? Yeah, 30 is smaller than 40, right? Which is smaller, 21 or 27? Yes, you're right, 21 is smaller than 27. 31 and 13. 31, 13, which is smaller? Yes, 13. Good. 13 is smaller. Right? 13 is smaller than 31. 45 or 42? Which is smaller? Yes, correct. 42 is smaller than 45. Okay? What about here? Cross the greater number. Cross out the greater number. 42, 75. Yes, 75. Cross out. And 52, 25. Greater. 52 is greater. Right? Greater than 25. 19, 16. Greater. 19 is greater than 16. 85, 82. 85 is greater than 82. Okay? Now, let's see 21 and 99. Oh, that's bigger. Okay? Which is smaller? Yeah, 21 is smaller. Okay? Which one is greater? 99. Okay? 99 is greater. So how do we open? How do we open the mouth of the alligator? Okay, let me use my arms. Do I want to eat this? Or do I want to eat this? Which one? This one or this one? Okay? So which alligator? Which alligator? This or this one? Yeah, this. Alright? So when we say 21 is smaller than 99. Okay? So we open the mouth to the bigger number right there. Okay? 21 is smaller than 99. And 99 is greater than 21. Okay? Get it? Alright, so for your activity for this lesson, let me give you a worksheet about comparing numbers. Okay, so please answer this worksheet, comparing numbers for today's activity, Thursday in Math 1. Alright, so please read the direction. Okay. Writing the symbol, write the symbol, okay, symbol, and the words, okay, greater than, less than, is equal to, alright, we've done this before, okay, and the other page of your worksheet is like this, comparing numbers. You're gonna circle all possible numbers, right? you circle all the possible numbers. Okay, let me do the first one for you. So 25. 25 is bigger or greater. Which one? Yeah, 24. Okay, 24 and 25. Alright, so 25 is greater than 24, right? And 25 is greater than 20. Okay? So just circle all possible numbers. Okay? Alright. So that's all for our Math 1 lesson for today about comparing numbers. Okay, thank you for joining me today. I hope to see you soon. Bye bye.